depths of a million blessed. Times were warm like a fiery blaze, but beneath the surface, a darkness loomed, a secret pain that we never assumed. Every hit, every scar etched into my soul, promises of change, but the wounds took their toll. I tried to hold on to salvage what we had, but the cycle of abuse left me feeling so sad. It was love, but it was pain. A story of loss washed away in the rain. Between caresses and blows, our bond fell apart, leaving only emptiness in my broken heart. Each blow was a dagger, each word a sting. I prayed for a change, but it never did bring. I believed in your words, in your false facade, but the bruises and scars were a constant facade. Every hit, every scar etched into my soul, promises of change, but the wounds took their toll. I tried to hold on to salvage what we had, but the cycle of abuse left me feeling so sad. It was love, but it was pain. A story of loss washed away in the rain. Between caresses and blows, our bond fell apart, leaving only emptiness in my broken heart. As I walk away from the pain of our past, I embrace the future, free at last. No more tears, no more fears, just the strength to move on and letting go. So goodbye to the darkness, hello to the light. Spread my wings and take flight. Love shouldn't hurt, she set us free. Love shouldn't hurt. Spread my wings and take flight. Love shouldn't hurt, she set us free. Now I'm finally breaking free. It was love, but it was pain. Story of loss washed away in the rain, but I rise from the ashes stronger than before. For in finding myself I found something more.